In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a campaign in Meta Ads Manager, step by step. Whether you're completely new to Meta advertising or just need a refresher, this tutorial will walk you through everything from setting up your first campaign to publishing your ads and monitoring results. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident creating campaigns that reach your target audience effectively and help you achieve your marketing goals. Let's start by understanding what Meta Ads Manager is. Meta Ads Manager is a tool provided by Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram. This platform allows you to create, manage, and track ads across multiple Meta properties, including Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and the Audience Network. Using Ads Manager, you can reach your ideal audience, control your ad budget, and measure the performance of your campaigns in real time. Whether your goal is brand awareness, engagement, website traffic, or conversions, Ads Manager provides the tools you need to optimize your campaigns. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com/adsmanager. Make sure you're logged in with your business account. If you don't have a business account, you'll need to set one up for a Meta Business Manager. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Ads Manager dashboard. This is where all your campaigns, ad sets, and ads will be listed. If this is your first time, it may appear empty, and that's completely fine. To create a new campaign, click the green Create button on the left side of the dashboard. You'll be taken to a new page where you'll choose your campaign objective. Selecting the right objective is one of the most important steps because it tells Meta what you want your ads to achieve. Campaign objectives are grouped into three main categories: awareness, consideration, and conversion. Awareness objectives focus on getting your ad in front of as many people as possible, increasing brand visibility. Consideration objectives are designed to encourage people to interact with your ad, clicking links, watching videos, or messaging your business. Conversion objectives aim to get people to take a specific action, such as making a purchase, signing up for a service, or installing an app. For this tutorial, we'll select the traffic objective under the consideration category. This objective is ideal if you want to send people to a website, landing page, or online store. After selecting traffic, click Continue to move to the campaign settings page. Start by naming your campaign something clear and descriptive, like June Sale Traffic Campaign. In the Campaign Details section, you'll see an option to enable or disable Advantage Campaign Budget. This feature allows Meta to automatically allocate your budget across ad sets to maximize results. For now, we'll leave it off so we can manually set budgets for each ad set. Scroll down and click Next to move to the ad set level. At the ad set level, you'll define your audience, budget, schedule, and placements. Start by naming your ad set. For example, Women 25-45 New York. Under the traffic section, choose where you want to send people. Options include website, app, Messenger, or WhatsApp. For this example, select website. Next, set your budget and schedule. You can choose a daily budget, which is the average amount you want to spend per day, or a lifetime budget, which is the total amount you want to spend over the entire duration of your campaign. Choosing a daily budget gives you more control over daily spending and is useful if you want to test the campaign gradually. On the other hand, a lifetime budget allows Meta to optimize spending throughout the campaign, potentially allocating more funds on days when your ads are performing better. For this example, let's set a daily budget of $20. After setting your budget, select the start date and time for your campaign to go live. You can also choose an end date so the campaign stops automatically, which is helpful for limited time promotions or seasonal campaigns. Additionally, you can schedule your ads to run only during specific hours of the day, when your target audience is most active, which can improve engagement and reduce wasted spend. Properly planning your budget and schedule ensures that your ads run efficiently and reach the right people at the right time. Now, define your audience. Click Create New Audience and set location, age, gender, and detailed targeting options. For location, type the city, country, or region you want to target. Let's use New York City. Choose the age range, e.g., 25, 45 years old, and select the appropriate gender. In the detailed targeting section, you can narrow your audience based on interests, behaviors, or demographics. For example, if your product relates to fitness or online shopping, type those interests and quick suggestions to find related options. Next, choose your placements. Meta offers Advantage Plus placements, where Meta decides where your ads appear to achieve the best results, or manual placements, where you select specific placements, like Instagram Stories or Facebook feed. For beginners, it's recommended to leave Advantage Plus selected. This gives Meta more flexibility to optimize your ad placements. Scroll down and click Next to move to the ad level. At the ad level, start by naming your ad. For example, Summer Sale Hoodie Ad. Select your Facebook page and Instagram account. If your Instagram isn't connected, you'll be prompted to connect it. Next, choose your ad format: single image or video, carousel, or collection. For this tutorial, we'll use a single image. Before uploading your ad, let's create your media using Canva, a free online design tool. Open canva.com, sign up for free if you haven't, and search for a template like hoodie ad or product template. Choose a design that fits your brand, replace the sample image with your product photo, and update the text to match your offer. For example, new arrival, premium cotton hoodie, 25% off. Make sure colors, fonts, and layout are clear and readable. Once your ad design is ready, return to Meta Ads Manager, click Add Media, and upload your image. In the primary text box, write a compelling message like, "Limited time offer on our best-selling hoodies. Shop now and save." Add a headline, e.g., "Comfort meets style," and optionally, a description such as "available and 5 colors." Free shipping over $50. Paste the product URL in the website field and select a call to action button, like Shop Now. If you have Metapixel set up, ensure it's activated to track actions on your website. Preview your ad on the right side of the screen to ensure it looks great across all placements. Once satisfied, click Publish. Meta will review your ad, and once approved, it will go live according to your schedule. To monitor your campaign's performance, return to the Ads Manager dashboard. Click your campaign to view metrics like reach, impressions, clicks, and cost per result. You can pause, edit, or duplicate ads to test different creatives, audiences, or budgets. Testing and optimizing is key to long-term success in meta advertising. Creating a campaign in Meta Ads Manager may feel overwhelming at first, but following these steps makes it straightforward. Start small, track results, and gradually scale successful strategies. Once you're comfortable, you can explore advanced features like custom audiences, retargeting, split testing, and automated rules to maximize ROI. This is the complete step-by-step process for creating your first campaign in Meta Ads Manager. By carefully setting up objectives, audience targeting, budget, placements, and creative, you'll be able to launch ads that drive traffic, engagement, and sales efficiently. With consistent testing and optimization, Meta Ads Manager becomes a powerful tool for growing your business online.